Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add the Pinterest widget on your Android device. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this from the home screen on your Android device, what you want to do is press and hold down until the screen goes like this. Now if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see widgets just here. So go ahead and press onto that. And at this point, you want to make sure you've actually downloaded the Pinterest app onto your device. Once you've done that, what you can do is just scroll through the list here, or alternatively, come up to the top and go ahead and type Pinterest into the search box. And here we are with the Pinterest widget. Next, all you need to do is press onto the down arrow to see the two different types of widgets available. So there's the option to display one pin from your home feed or display up to 6 pins from your home feed. So it's completely up to you which one you want to do. I'm going to go for the one at the top to display just one pin from my home feed. So you just want to press onto this and it's going to be a button come up saying add. Just go ahead and press add. And as you can see, that's going to go ahead and add the Pinterest widget over here on our Android device. So that's basically how you can add the Pinterest widget on your Android device. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.